Hi everyone, in today's session we are going to see about power wall and uniprocessor to multiprocessor conversion of a system. Let us see what is a power wall. The power wall refers to the protection system or the wall which signifies the peak power constraint of a system. The peak power consumed by the system will be shown in or directed using this power wall system. The term power wall means the maximum clock speed where it has reached, and the units which would be present in the system will be too hard, and the clock rate will increase the highest frequency of the system. Thus, the power wall refers to the difficulty of scaling the performance of the computing units within the system, because the fundamental constraint impose the affordable power delivery and dissipation. It increases the maximum limit. That refers to the power wall difficulties while scaling the performance of the system. Here, this represents an power consumed by a system for a period of 20 years from 1982 to 2012. Comparatively, the power consumption of the system or the unit of an organization getting gradually increased, whereas the clock rate is also getting increased. So let us come to the conclusion. When the number of executions increases, the average clock rate also increases and the power consumption also increases, which results in making the units present in the system to be of having too much of heat. Thus, the equation is derived as the energy depends on the voltage loading, and the equation is given as energy is directly proportional to the load and the voltage square. In this, energy is inversely proportional, energy is directly proportional to the capacity load into voltage square, and the power is directly proportional to the capacity load voltage square and the frequency which is used to switch between the clock rates. As I said, the heat and the power consumption also affects the clock rate, right? So in this equation it is related with the frequency switch also. Thus, these are the formulas which are used to calculate the power consumption of the system and the frequency increasing of the system with the help of power wall. Let us see the problems under this power wall frequency and energy consumption and voltage required in next upcoming sessions. Let us move to the next topic of uniprocessor to multiprocessor. In this, uniprocessor is nothing but it is the system with a single processing unit, that is single CPU is present in the system, and multiprocessor is nothing but it has multiple CPU which is embedded into the system. Obviously, the first generation or previously used systems will support single processor, but nowadays all are using multiprocessor systems, and the multiprocessing system has a wide advantage over uniprocessor system, in which a uniprocessor is capable of executing a single task at a time, whereas multiprocessor is capable of executing multiple tasks at a time. So obviously the performance of the system will be increased, and the efficiency of the system will also be increased. The time waited for execution of the program or instruction will be considerably reduced. Thus, the overall performance of the system will be increased in multi-processor systems compared to uniprocessor systems.